Hello kaboom! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'm going to teach you basic Arabic words. Before we start, here's the points to ponder. Ang Arabic sa Middle East ay hindi pare-pareho. So there are three forms of Arabic. The first one is Classical Arabic, which is yung nakasulat sa Quran. Second is the Modern Standard Arabic, which is yung makikita natin sa mga road signs, sa university curriculums ginagamit, and other legal documents. And then the third one is the dialectal or colloquial Arabic, which is yung kanilang pinakang salita inside the house, yung ginagamit nila during communication sa mga friends. And yung colloquial Arabic naman is divided into 9 categories. The first one is Hassaniya Arabic. Second is North African Arabic, followed by Egyptian Arabic, Levantine Arabic, Yemeni Arabic, Gulf Arabic, and then the seventh one is Mesopotamian Arabic. 8 is Hijazi Arabic na ginagamit naman sa Western Saudi Arabia, and then the last one is the Najdi Arabic, which is widely used in Central Saudi Arabia. So, ang Arabic na ituturo ko sa inyo is Arabic ng Saudi Arabia, or ginagamit na Arabic sa Saudi Arabia, because most of the people there, or most of them, can speak English. And then, I'm not a teacher, and I don't have any license to teach Arabic, but this video tutorial is based on my personal experience lamang, because nag-work ako before sa Saudi Arabia for more than 2 years, and na-acquire ko naman yung konting basic Arabic na ginagamit doon sa Saudi Arabia. And itong mga natutunan kong basic Arabic is masashare ko sa ating mga aspiring OFW, or yung nagbabalak na mag-abroad, especially sa bansang Saudi Arabia. At para naman po dun sa mga nakakaalam na ng basic Arabic, you are free or feel free to comment and correct if I'm wrong. You can jot down notes or take down notes while playing this tutorial. So without further ado, let's begin. Here's your first word. Assalamu alaikum, or salam. Just salam. Assalamu alaikum or salam. It means peace upon you, or peace be with you. Peace unto you. So, kapag nakasalubong kayo ng Saudiya or Saudi people, binati ka ng Assalamu alaikum, ang i-reply mo po is Wa alaikum assalam, or peace be with you too. Next word is Marhaba. Marhaba means hello. Marhaba. Marhaba. And then, kapag sasagot ka naman ng phone, Alu. Alu. Next Arabic word is ana. Ana means me or I'm. Ana. Ana. And then, ano yung you or ikaw? You is inta or inti. Inta kapag lalaki. Inti kapag babae ang kausap mo. Next word is how are you? Paano ba sa Arabic ang how are you? Kif halik. Kif haliki kapag babae. So, kapag lalaki ang binabati mo ng how are you, kif halik. Kapag babae naman, ang kausap mo, it's kif haliki. Kif haliki. Or, islang ng Arabic nila sa Saudi Arabia is kif hal-hal. Kif hal-hal. Ganun. So, kapag tinanong ka ng how are you, kif halik, ang sasagot mo ay either Alhamdulillah, ana tamam. Alhamdulillah, ana tamam. Thank God or praise God, I'm okay. Alhamdulillah, ana tamam. Pwede mo din isagot is ana bekair. Ana bekair. It means I'm fine. Ana bekair. I'm fine. Or meron din silang Arabic slang doon sa Saudi Arabia na pag tinanong ka ng kif halik, kif hal-hal, ang sasagot mo is kwais, miya miya. Kwais, miya miya. What is your name in Arabic? Ma ismak. Kapag ang kausap ko is lalaki, may smack. Kapag babae naman, may smik. May smik. Kapag lalaki, may smack. Kapag babae, may smik. Or, Arabic Islam sa Saudi Arabia, Ism. Just Ism. Ism. Ibig sabihin, pangalan. What is your name? Ism. And then, kapag sasagot ka dun sa tanong na yun na Ism, ang sasagot mo is Ana Ism or Ana Ismi. Ana Ism, Ana Ismi. And then, followed by your name. So, Ana Ism Alen. Ana Ism Alen. Ana Ismi Bombi. Ana Ismi Bombi. Ganon. Next is where are you from or where are you from? Arabic niya is min wen inta pag lalaki. Min wen inta or pag babae ang kausap mo, min wen inti. Min wen inta, min wen inti. So meron din nasaan ka? Where are you? Ang Arabic niya is wen inta. Wen inta. So kapag tinanong ko kung taga saan ka, min wen inta, ang sasagot mo is ana min followed by country. So ana min Philippines. Next basic Arabic word is shukran. Shukran, alam na alam ng lahat. Thank you. Shukran. Shukran, thank you. Okay? And then kapag meron nag-thank you sa inyo or nagsabi ng shukran, ang sasagot nyo is afwan. Afwan. It means welcome. Afwan. Welcome. How to say sorry in Arabic? Sorry is malish. Arabic Islam sa Saudi Arabia is malish or asif. Ana asif. I'm sorry. Or asif. Sorry. Malish. How to say good morning in Arabic in Saudi Arabia? Sabah al-khair. Sabah al-khair. Good morning. Sabah al-khair. Good afternoon and good evening is the same. So pareho po ang good afternoon and good evening, which is masa al-khair. Masa al-khair. Masa al-khair. So paano mo sasagutin yung good morning nila? So pag binati ka ng Arabo ng Sabah al-khair, ang sasagot mo ay Sabah an-nur. Sabah an-nur. Sabah an-nur. Sabah an-nur. Or good morning also. Good morning also to you. And then good afternoon or good evening, which is Masa al-khair. Paano mo sasagutin? You will answer Masa an-nur. Masa an-nur. Parang yung anur. Yung anur. Nura o nur. Char. And then pag sasagot ka ng yes and no, ano ba ang Arabic ng yes? Ang Arabic po ng yes is aywa. Aywa. Ayo. Ayo. Aywa. Or pwedeng nam. 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 Aywa. Aywa. Ganyan lang. Aywa. Yes. Pag no, la. 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 No. La. And then pag hindi mo maintindihan, hindi mo sila maintindihan, ang sasabihin mo is ana, ako, la. No. Ana, la, afam. I don't understand. Ana, la, afam. I don't understand. Or, Arabic, Saudi Arabian slang is esh. Esh, parang magtatanong ka na hindi mo sila maintindihan. Kapag may sinabi sila yung Arabo na Arabic na hindi mo maintindihan, sabihin mo lang esh. Esh. Sa Saudi Arabia, ang please is naintindihan nila yung please. Please. Pero pag pronounce ng Saudi people yung please, naiiba, it's bilis. Yun yung please sa kanila, bilis. Parang yung letter P nakapalta ng B. Ganun. Parang wala kasi silang letter P. Yun ang pagkakaalam ko. Kaya bilis. Or kung gusto nyong Arabic is min fadlika. Min fadlika. Min fadlika, please. Then, paano kung tatawagin mo yung isang Arabo? Kapag lalaki yung tinatawag mo, tatawagin mo yung Arabo, halimbawa, pwede nyo sabihin na mudir, mudir, or sma, sma, ganon. Ibig sabihin, tinatawag mo yung attention niya, kinukuha mo yung attention niya. So, dito sa Pilipinas, kuya, ate, ang tinatawag, ate, kuya, ganon. Doon is mudir. Pag lalaki, mudir. Isma. Kapag babae naman, syempre madam. 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 Ganon. And then, kung gusto niyo naman ng Arabic, pwede naman Arabic ng excuse me. Kaya kukunin mo yung attention niya. Excuse me, al-madira. 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 Next, basic Arabic word in Saudi Arabia is happy birthday. Ano ba ang happy birthday sa kanila? It's Eid Milad Said. Eid Milad Said. Eid Milad Said. Happy birthday. And for our last word for today's vlog is Maasalama. May idea ba kayo kung ano yung Maasalama? So before I end this video, I'm going to tell you Maasalama. So ibig sabihin ng Maasalama in Saudi Arabia is goodbye. So before we end this video, I hope marami kayo natutunan. Nag-jot down notes kayo para meron na kayong idea before you going to Saudi Arabia, especially sa mga bagong working abroad. Shukran. Thank you for watching. Maasalama. Bye-bye.